In this video, I'll show you how to make text disappear like a dandelion, creating a soft and dreamy exit animation. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that matches this effect. Thin, elegant, or handwritten fonts usually work best for a dandelion style animation. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Dandelion. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text gently break apart and float away like dandelion seeds. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need to add any extra layers or effects. To control how soft or fast the effect feels, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow cinematic drift, or drag it to the right for a faster and lighter disappear effect. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing to match the emotion of your video, and that's it. You've successfully added a dandelion text disappear animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.